Welcome to New Car Latest Update. Today, we bring you an in-depth review of the 2025 GMC Motorhome, a marvel of engineering and luxury designed to redefine road trips and long-distance travel. Combining state-of-the-art technology, premium comfort, and iconic GMC reliability, this motorhome is built for adventurers who refuse to compromise. Let's explore its details from every angle. The front view of the 2025 GMC Motorhome commands attention with its bold and aerodynamic design. The grille is large and imposing, with GMC's signature chrome accents and a mesh pattern that adds a modern touch. At the center, the iconic GMC logo stands out, symbolizing durability and prestige. The LED headlights are slim and stylish, equipped with adaptive high-beam assist for superior visibility in all conditions. Below the grille, the front bumper features integrated fog lights and functional air vents for improved engine cooling and aerodynamics. A wide panoramic windshield completes the look, offering excellent forward visibility while adding to the vehicle's futuristic appeal. Backside view. The backside of the 2025 GMC Motorhome is all about functionality and style. Vertical LED taillights frame the rear, ensuring maximum visibility for vehicles behind you. The large, tinted rear window provides natural light to the living area while maintaining privacy. The rear bumper is both robust and practical, equipped with a built-in tow hitch capable of hauling additional gear or a small trailer. For easy access to the roof storage area, a sleek aluminum ladder is integrated into the design. Additionally, the rear features an electric liftgate, perfect for loading and unloading heavy equipment or supplies effortlessly. Step inside, and the interior side view of the 2025 GMC Motorhome will leave you amazed. The cabin is a luxurious blend of modern design and advanced technology, offering all the comforts of home on wheels. The living area features plush leather seating with reclining options, a convertible dining table, and panoramic windows for breathtaking views. The kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, and induction cooktop, complemented by quartz countertops and ample storage. The sleeping quarters offer a queen-size bed with memory foam, ambient lighting, and individual climate controls for ultimate relaxation. The bathroom includes a full shower, vanity, and eco-friendly toilet system. Technology-wise, the motorhome is equipped with a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, a digital driver display, and smart connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The right side view of the motorhome highlights its streamlined design and practical features. The large sliding door provides easy access to the cabin, while the retractable electric steps make entry and exit seamless. The long wheelbase and smooth body panels ensure stability on the road and minimize drag. The side mirrors are power adjustable and feature integrated turn signals for added safety. Optional awnings extend from this side, creating a shaded outdoor area perfect for relaxing or dining. The right side also houses storage compartments with secure locks, providing easy access to essential equipment or supplies. The left side view offers a similar design with key functional elements. This side houses the water inlet, electrical hookup ports, and an integrated generator system, making it easy to set up at any campsite. The sleek, flush-mounted windows maintain the vehicle's modern appearance, while the subtle GMC badging adds a touch of elegance. From this angle, you can appreciate the aerodynamic contours that enhance fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise, making long journeys more comfortable and economical. The 2025 GMC Motorhome is truly a masterpiece of design and functionality, perfect for travelers who demand the best. From its bold and modern front view to its practical and stylish rear, every detail has been crafted with precision. Inside, it offers a luxurious sanctuary equipped with advanced technology and premium amenities. The right and left views showcase its thoughtful design and robust features, ensuring it's ready for any adventure. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or beyond, this motorhome ensures every journey is as enjoyable as the destination. Thank you for watching New Car Latest Update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive reviews of the latest vehicles. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy travel.